Say hello to the teacher. We are Group B1. The topic we are sharing today is the study of the impact of cross-border economics on Chinese export trade. Our perception is delivered into 5 parts. The first part, we adopt the method of lecture review, empirical research, and comparative analysis to study the impact of cross-border economics on Chinese export trade by establishing its own evaluation item system. 31 provinces were divided into regional levels and studied using the method of overview and regional comparison. During the research, we discovered several issues. Insufficient regulatory supervision of the new model. Cross-border accuracy was developed early in the East, but is far behind the West regards.
Hi, my name is Tianjin and today I'm going to talk about the literature review in our proposal. In our research, we have discovered 3 factors that influence export trade. They are infrastructure, level of e-commerce development, and also the facilitation of investment. So why is cross-border e-commerce so important? First of all, to promote economic development. China experienced a remarkable 30% annual growth in cross-border e-commerce since 2012, surpassing the growth rate of total international trade. Moving on is the job creation. According to Ali Research Institute, there are over 2 million of people are employed in the field of e-commerce in China. And also from SF Express, the largest Chinese express shipper has reported employing approximately 124,000 staff members. So in our research, this paper addressed existing gaps by considering the rapid development of China overseas e-commerce and the broader context of the COVID-19 pandemic. It establishes in an indicator system from a domestic perspective, categorizing the 31 provinces, municipalities directly under the central government and autonomous regions in China based on the level of cross-border e-commerce development. Moving on, I'll pass to the next person.
Hello everyone, this part is methodology. Methodology including 3 parts. Theoretical foundation, theory of economies of scale, theory of comparative advantage. The next part is construction and measurement of indicators for cross-border e-commerce development in China. The paper synthesized the characteristic of cross-border e-commerce at the current stage of development, introduces the investment facilitation into the comprehensive index of cross-border e-development, and combines the availability of data as well as operability to establish 3 first-level index and 6 second-level index, which are used to measure the level of cross-border e-commerce development.
Indicator analysis of the level of development of cross-border e-commerce, especially the level of cross-border e-commerce infrastructure, is assessed through cargo turnover and mobile phone penetration rate. E-commerce development is gauged by e-commerce sales volume and the number of enterprises engaged in e-commerce transactions. And the facilitation of cross-border e-commerce investment is determined by the degree of openness and intellectual property protection. Therefore, the above of 2 impacts of first-level indicators on first-level indicator is positive. That's positive indicators. Cross-border e-commerce development in China varies regionally with repeat growth in coastal and developed inland cities, constricting slower progress in the northeastern and northwestern regions. Overall, from 2016 to 2022, steady growth is observed, particularly during the period from 2018 to 2022, marked by substantial increase.
I'm Zhang Susu, then let's see results and discuss. Descriptive analysis. The results include 7 variables in 35 provinces. Judging from the result, the standard deviation of each variable is relatively small, indicating that the stability is relatively high and the degree of dispersion is relatively small. Therefore, the selected sample values are related, concentrated, and the impact of data fluctuation is small. Houseman test. We can see the null hypothesis. If the result p greater than 0.05, the null hypothesis is accepted. It shows the random effects model is selected, otherwise reject, and the fixed effects model is selected. The result show that for the whole and cross-border e-commerce development areas, both are strongly rejected, so the fixed effects model is selected.
The co-explanatory variable scores it shows that cross-border e-commerce has the significant positive impact on the overall export value. Table 4.3. When the level of cross-border e-commerce increases by 1 percentage point, the export value of each province will increase by 3.957 percentage points, and the overall explanatory power of each explanatory variable reach 81.6%. Judging from the results of the robustness test, both the overall and regional tests have passed the robustness test and have passed the significance. That is, the development of cross-border e-commerce has a promoting effect on exports. The results obtained are the same as those mentioned above. The results demonstrated are consistent, and there is no change in the overall and regional effects of cross-border e-commerce on export results. Therefore, the panel regrets the results of the overall and regional effects of cross-border e-commerce are robust. Thank you.
Part 5. Conclusion. After empirical data analysis, the following conclusions can be drawn. First, cross-border e-commerce has a significant impact on the overall impact of China's export trade. Second, cross-border e-commerce still has huge development potential in the future. Based on the above conclusions, the following suggestions are put forward. First, follow diverse trends of online popular platforms and seize development bonus period under the background of the epidemic. Second, strengthen the application of technological innovation in the field of cross-border e-commerce and integrate it with big data, cloud computing, artificial intelligence. That's our Group B1 report. Thank you for listening.